Leo. How are you today?
I'm good, Emma. A little tired, but good. How are you?
I'm good too. It's a sunny day here, so I feel happy. Did you do anything fun this morning?
Not really. I had breakfast and listened to some music. Very simple morning.
That sounds nice. I had some tea and read a little before our podcast. I like slow mornings.
Yes, slow mornings are good. They feel calm.
Exactly. All right, Leo, are you ready for today's topic?
Yes, I'm ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about buying electronics. This is a very common real-life situation. Many people buy phones, laptops, headphones, or chargers. So today, we will learn simple and useful English for buying electronics.
Good. I need this. Sometimes electronics vocabulary is confusing.
Yes, but today we keep everything simple. Very simple words and very short sentences. And we repeat many times so everyone can follow. Let's start with some basic words.
Okay.
First word, electronics. Repeat please. Electronics.
Electronics.
Good. Next, phone.
Phone.
Laptop.
Laptop.
Headphones.
Headphones.
Great. And charger.
Charger.
Perfect. Now, let's imagine you want to buy something in a store. A simple question you can ask is, do you have? For example, do you have this phone? Or, do you have this charger?
So just, do you have? Very simple.
Yes. Very simple. Now I will say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Ready?
Ready.
Do you have this phone?
Do you have this phone?
Do you have this laptop?
Do you have this laptop?
Do you have these headphones?
Do you have these headphones?
Good job. Very good. Now let's start a small conversation. Imagine you are in an electronics store. I am the shop assistant. You are the customer. Ready?
Yes. Let's try.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for a phone.
Great. What kind of phone are you looking for?
I want a simple phone. Not too expensive.
Okay, we have some simple phones. Here is one. It's easy to use. It has a good camera.
How much is it?
It's $200.
$200. That is a little expensive for me.
No problem. Here is another one. It's cheaper. It is $100.
$100 is better. Does it have a good battery?
Yes, it has a good battery. The battery lasts all day.
Good battery. Good price. I like it.
Great! You can also ask questions like, does it have a good camera? Or, is it fast? These are useful sentences when buying electronics.
Right. Does it have a good camera? And is it fast? Easy sentences.
Yes. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Does it have a good camera?
Does it have a good camera?
Is it fast?
Up. Is it fast?
Is it cheap?
Is it cheap?
Excellent. Now let's talk about chargers and headphones. Many people go to a store just to buy a charger.
Yes. I always lose my chargers.
Me too. So you can say, I need a charger. Repeat, please.
I need a charger.
And, I need headphones.
I need headphones.
Perfect. Now we make a small conversation again. This time, you want to buy a charger.
Okay.
Hello. Can I help you?
Hi, yes. I need a charger.
Sure. What phone do you have?
I have an Android phone.
Great. Here is an Android charger. It's $10.
$10 is okay. Does it charge fast?
Yes, it is a fast charger.
Great. I will take it.
Nice. Very good. These small sentences are very useful.
Yes. This is very helpful.
Now let's practice with the listeners. Dear listeners, repeat after us. Leo, please say the sentence slowly, and listeners can repeat.
Okay. First sentence. I'm looking for a phone.
Listeners, repeat now.
How much is it?
Listeners, repeat now.
Do you have this charger?
Listeners, repeat now.
Does it have a good camera?
Listeners, repeat now.
I need headphones.
Listeners, repeat now. Great job, everyone. Repeating helps your brain learn naturally.
Yes. Repeating is very helpful for beginners.
Now, let's have one more practice conversation. This one is about buying a laptop.
Okay. I will try.
Hello. Welcome to the electronics store. How can I help you?
Hello. I'm looking for a laptop.
Sure. What do you need the laptop for?
I need it for school and for watching videos.
Okay. Here is a simple laptop. It is good for school. It is not expensive.
How much is it?
It's $300.
$300. Not bad. Is it fast?
Yes, it is fast. It starts quickly.
Does it have a good screen?
Yes, it has a clear screen.
Good. I think I like this one.
Great. Do you want to buy it?
Yes, I will buy it.
Wonderful. See? Very simple and useful questions.
Yes, very simple and very clear.
Now, before we finish, let's have a short review. Listeners, we review the key sentences from today.
Okay. First, I'm looking for a phone.
Next, do you have this?
How much is it?
Does it have a good camera?
Is it fast?
I need a charger.
I need headphones.
Perfect. These simple sentences will help you in real stores and also help you build your English confidence.
Yes. These sentences are easy and useful.
Thank you, Leo, for practicing with me today.
Thank you, Emma. I learned a lot.
And thank you to all our listeners. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep listening. You are doing great. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.